Scout, I woke you up for a surprise, Scout.
Oh, this better be good, Grandma. No one disturbs Scout from his beauty sleep. I need a lot of it because I'm the cutest.
All right, Scout. Now look behind you.
Ooh. You, Grandma bought me a new microwave. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you.
There's a new feeling there.
Look, Scout. It's a new microwave.
The other one.
Grandma, can you open it, Grandma? I want to see inside, huh?
This one doesn't rattle when I open it like the other one.
Ooh. Grandma was like, the other one's so dirty, I'm not going to clean it. I'm just going to buy a new one. Is that what happened, Grandma?
No, it's not working no more.
Ah, okay, Grandma. But thank you, Grandma. I like it anyway.
You feeling there?
Oh, Grandma, that's it, Grandma. We're going.
No.
Bye, everybody. Bye.